Om Namah Shivaya. I'm going to explain today about Ayodhya Kandam, which is the second Kandam in Ramayana. Actually, before that, I just want to say we've completed the Bala Kandam, where Rama is in Ayodhya with his family in respective palace. So after Balakandam, it is a Ayodhya Kandam. So Ayodhya Kandam consists of 21 chapter and 3188 shlokas in that. So that each 21 is divided into a starting thing, then Narada, Rama and Narada conversation, and hymn of Narada and Narada's departure from Ayodhya. So and after that it is a Sri Rama Abhishekam Arambham. So in Sri Rama Abhishekam Arambham, Dasharatha's decision is to install Rama as a king of Ayodhya, and then Vasishtha's hymn to that. Then Kausalya is fearing of the decision. Then what happened? Ki is fixed by Vasishtha ki this day is very good for the Rama's install as a king. Then what happened? They are living happily. So main aim of Rama's incarnation is Ravan's death. So he can't stay back in Ayodhya as a king. Saraswati Devi went into the Manthara's ear and lips, and then what happened? You all know that Manthara poisoned the ear of Kaikai, and it due to the third chapter, Abhisheka Vigna happened, and and after that Kaikai she went to the chamber of angry. She protested, and Kaikai's anger by saying that Dasharatha asked what happened, and she described everything. Then she said she wants 2 boons, and then King Dasharatha is in very disaster. He said I can't say this to my son because Dasharatha's favorite son is Ram, so he can't say. Then she called Rama to her palace. Rama discussed and Kaikai discussed with Rama about these 2 boons what she asked with Dasharatha. Then Rama summoned to Dasharatha's presence. Kaikai demands Rama's exile and for 14 years plus Bharata as a king of Ayodhya. Then Rama's reaction to the demand of Kaikai, he agreed to that, and he said I am ready to go, and then he left to her mother's palace, where where Lord Rama informed Kausalya of his father's order. Then Rama advised to Lakshmana to stay back and take care of the family, but Lakshmana was very angry. Then there is a shloka between Rama and Lakshmana that is called a Lakshmana Samvadam, where Lord Ram is giving advice to Lakshmana to control over the mind and be calm in the situations. So he given a very well version of shlokas in that particular chapter. The shloka is from 1061 to 1014. Everyone should at least for in the situation that shloka will give a control of our mind and to stay calm. So then Rama's reconciled Kausalya and left from them, and Lakshmana and Sita to his resolution. Even Sita Devi and Rama both are ready to departure to forest with Lakshmana. The reaction of citizen was very warm for Lord Rama. Then Rama departure from Ayodhya to the forest. On the way, all the citizens were slept. He left from that place, and there they meet Guha. Guha helped them to cross the river and take them into the forest, and from there the Vanayatra begins. That is the 8th chapter in Ayodhya Kandam. 9th chapter is Guha Sangamam. Then Lakshmana Guha Samvadam was going on there. They discuss about the things what happened in Ayodhya and how everything is happening. Then they moving on in the forest, where they reached to the ashramam, Bharadwaja ashramam, and then to the Valmiki's ashramam. In Valmiki's ashramam, the Valmiki's previous history and everything was discussed, and in that it was clearly mentioned in one of the shloka कि जो पाप हम लोग करते हैं वो हमें ही धोना पड़ता है, not the entire family. So that's a very good shlok in that chapter also. Then during all this period, there is a lot of things are going on. Then Dasharatha's demises, and Sumantran return after that, and Muni curse on Dasharatha's happen, because Muni given the curse to Dasharatha that he also died in absence of his kids. So it's happened. And then Bharata's return and confrontation with Kaikeyi. He used a very bad word for his mother because of cruelty happened to his brother Lord Rama. Then Bharata seeking Kausalya's pardon. Then Vasishtha's advice to Bharata. Then they done all the karmas of father, and Bharata went on way to fetch Sri Rama. And on the way to forest to fetch Rama, they met Guha, and then they reached to the Bharadwaja ashramam, from where they came to know where Sita Devi, Lakshmana and Lord Rama located in the forest. Entire family with Vasishtha Muni and all reached to the Rama's kutiram. There they have a discussion with Rama to back and take to be a king in Ayodhya, but Rama refused the offer from Bharata, and then he described everything to Bharata. Then Bharata returned with mothers Kaikeyi, Kausalya and Sumitra. They back, and after that Rama is going to Atri's ashramam. So till there this Ayodhya Kandam finish. Now next is an Aranya Kandam, which is completely the forest life, how they dwelling in the forest, how they are doing and all is in the Aranya Kandam. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.